Alright, we're recording. Clear your throat voice for YouTube. Alright, we're here at Animal Style, the hangover day 2 with the boy Willie K. We got U-Day. Alex has kindly lent us his GoPro, so we're going to try and get a little vlog in for him.
Gone back to work.
Gone back to work. I don't know how good this is going to be because we are not YouTubers, that's definitely for sure. But we're going to go around, try to talk some shit, try and remember to pick up the camera and film. I might go around and look at all the cars for Alex because he might not have got a chance to do that on Saturday. So yeah, I might go around and do that now. Alright, so I'm going to go around and have a look at all of everyone's shit here, pretty much. The man.
Rate it 1 to 5.
Rate it? Nah, no ratings. I'm just going to go around because everything here is fucking sick. So,
don't want to upset anyone.
No, we don't want to break any hearts. But we've got Vince's car here. Slapped this thing together in like 3 weeks. It's pretty fucking rad. N-style wheels, 215 kilowatt. Does the job, eh? It gets down. I think he ended up taking out the tandem comp on Saturday with Ben Jenkins, so that's pretty fucking rad. Boys are on. Actually did a little bit of work on this car with Vince to give him a hand with some stuff, even though I'm no mechanic, but it's always good to learn some stuff. We've got this super sick S15 Origin Labo attack line, I think it is, on the front bumper at least. Super cool. These boys are from the South Island. This one's SR2, I believe, so that's rad. And we got this super clean 180, so nice. This thing makes me feel some type of way. I kind of still wish I had mine. Like, this is how I would build a 180 SX. So rad. 326 wing on there. SR car as well, because SR the world. Graham Smith's S13, beautiful car. We got Marcus's car here. I think it's like a 450 horsepower 1JZ. Pretty fucking rad. All the Origin Labo raceline goodies. Some people don't like Origin Labo raceline. I do, I think it's beautiful. Looks good on this. You don't really see it much on the old JZX chassis, so it's super cool to see it. Rad bonnet, super rad bonnet. I'm not sure who owns this car. It's super sick. This is real US styling, like slammed as fuck. VIP wheels, dope mirror tints, super cool car. And then you got Johnny's RX-7, immaculate RX-7 drift car, so rad. Sorry bro, don't want to walk through your photos. There's another one of the South Boys cars. All these cars are from the South, so fucking cool. Advan RG3s, beautiful wheels. Let's check out the cockpit in this thing. Fucking so cool. Definitely how you build a drift car. Then we got U-Day's car over here. Little MX-5. Super cool car. Willie K's Chaser, the one and only. Got a little bit of a crunchy gearbox at the moment. We're just gonna see how it goes. Got my sack over here, holding down the tents. All that's really good for. This R32, I believe it has a 25 did in it. Got a little peek under the bonnet before. It's pretty sweet. All the boys are at the drivers meeting at the moment, so I'm just geeking out over everyone's shit. This is Daniel Lemberg's car, fucking rad as Team B-Style boys. Pink gram lights, another SR car. And you got Sean Benema's car, fucking rad. 550 horsepower SR. That's what we like to see. One VIA looks super clean. So cool. 326 power wing on the Zenki here. And gangster as. We've got the old Skuxmobile over here. The V8. 1UZ I believe. With his dope tow rig. Probably not safe, but super cool. Definitely for the steez, for the culture. Another super clean Zenki. Pretty much everything here is SR or JZ, a couple RBs, but mainly just SRs. And you've got the C's boys over here. Super sick. The Animal Styles on there. '86 fighter car, another SR car. Went away for a little bit, started having a yarn, so I turned the camera off, but we're back now. Joe's S15. Another super sick SR car. Ruben's 180. A few more 86s over here. It's pretty sweet. 732 boys from down south. It's actually a vet motor, eh? I'm pretty sure. Far out. That's fucking sick. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. This is Kieran's car. Pretty sure he's going around with the C-spanners, lowering everyone's shit. This thing's pretty insane. S13.5, I believe. Yeah. Pretty crazy. Sounds crazy. Got Fritz's car over here, old Scavenger. 20B. Been good. I think these are the old Mayhem boys over here. The YouTube boys. Paint looks pretty sweet in person. Then Blitzo 3 Johnnies. Pretty sick. Keen to see him drive today. Should be pretty cool. Same with this rig. Gizzy boys holding it down. And then I think this is Hamish's S14. The old AVS is on there. Angus Wang, eat your heart out. Good height. This is actually a pretty cool car. What else have we got? This thing's pretty cool.
No, not freehold. Like this, you just take the slugs out.
Supercharged V8 Zinky. And then another SR Sylvia. This Sylvia is actually really sick. This dude sends it so hard. Keen to see this guy drive today. Super cool Itasha livery. That's how you do it. Batty just rocked up. He was hissing on Saturday. Sounds real good on limiter. But yeah, that's pretty much like what's here today so far. I guess we'll just wait and see kind of what happens for the rest of the day. But yeah, I'll try to get as much footage as I can. Hopefully Willie's car doesn't break. But yeah, no, super sick day. Heaps of boys out here today, so hopefully be some good drifting. Alright, you ready to go, brother?
Not really.
Alright, what's the game plan?
Don't break the fucking 3K gearbox.
Don't break the gearbox.
Don't break the gearbox.
Yeah, just see how it feels. If it's super crunchy or whatever, just fucking bring it back. Yeah, see how it goes. Yeah. Alright, so I stole Willie's hat so that I don't get sunburned. Willie K is going to go out now and just get a few laps in, see how his gearbox feels, because it's a bit notchy. We're going to change the fluid in it today, but it's a bit of a mahi to do trackside because we have to drop the cross member or some shit, so we'll probably just wait and see how he goes. If it's too bad, bring him back in, drop the cross member, do the gearbox oil, and hopefully that will eliminate all the crunches, but we'll just see how we go. So yeah, no, good day for it today. So I'll see how the boys are going. This thing is insanely beautiful. Wowee. Gram lights even.
say about ourselves, Will? Buy quality wheels and they'll be alright. They won't break.
These are alright.
Yeah, it's holding here.
See it? See the dent? It's holding here, ladies and gentlemen. Right. To be honest though, I'm proud of you. It was a fucking good send, bro.
Fuck.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
It's alright. Nothing's bent, I think, so.
We'll be alright. Let's get back out there.
Yeah.
Alright, welcome back. Unfortunately, we don't really have much camera battery left. But Willie K and Vince and stuff are going to go out now. So I got the GoPro in Vince's car. hopefully we can get some sick footage. I'll try and get some more clips with this camera until it dies, otherwise I'll just crack into the GoPro. But hope everyone enjoyed today's video. I'm not very good at this stuff, but I gave it a little crack for Alex. Hey, you gotta help out your homies, so hopefully it came out good, Alex. Sorry for my shit filming.